Hi students, welcome to you all to the classes of chemistry, paper 1. Here the paper title is Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. First of all, let us see the syllabus. This syllabus consists of 5 units. Unit 1, P block elements 1. Unit 2, P block elements 2. And another topic in this unit, organometallic compounds. Next, organic chemistry. Unit 3, Structural Theory in Organic Chemistry. Unit 4, Acyclic Hydrocarbons and Alicyclic Hydrocarbons. Unit 5, Benzene and its reactivity. Let us see the syllabus. Unit 1 first. P block elements 1. Group 13, Group 14, Group 15. Group 13. Synthesis and structure of diborane and higher boranes. B4 H10 and B4 H9. Boron nitrogen compounds B3 N3 H6 and Bn. Group 14. Preparation and applications of silines and silicones. Group 15. Preparation and reactions of hydrazine. Preparations and reactions of hydroxyamine. Preparations and reactions of phosphogenes. Next, Unit 2, P block elements 2. Group 16. Classification of oxides based on chemical behavior and oxygen content. Oxyacids of sulfurs, structures only. Group 17. Interhalogens compounds. Pseudohalogens and comparison with halogens. And another topic in this unit, organometallic chemistry. Definition of organometallic chemistry. That means definition of organometallic compounds. Classification of organometallic compounds. Nomenclature of organometallic compounds. Preparation of organometallic compounds and properties of organometallic compounds and applications of alkyl of lithium and magnesium organometallic compounds. Next, organic chemistry. Unit 3. Structural theory in organic chemistry. Types of bond fission and organic reagents. Bond polarization. Factors influencing the polarization of covalent bonds. Inductive effect. Application of inductive effect. Resonance or mesomeric effect. Applications. Hyperconjugation and its applications. Types of organic reactions. Inductive effect and its application. Applications to basicity of amines, acidity of carboxylic acid, stability of carbon ion. Resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Applications to acidity of phenols, acidity of carboxylic acids. Hyperconjugation. Applications to stability of carbonyl ions, free radicals and alkenes, carbanions, carbenes and nitrates. Classification of organic reactions. Organic reactions are mainly classified into 3 types: addition, substitution, elimination. Addition reactions is again classified into 3 types: electrophilic addition reactions, nucleophilic addition reactions, free radical addition reactions. And substitution reactions. Substitution reactions is classified into 3 types: electrophilic substitution reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions, free radical substitution reactions. Next, elimination reactions. Elimination reactions is classified into 2 types: alpha elimination and beta elimination. Next, Unit 4, Acyclic Hydrocarbons. Alkenes. Preparations of alkenes, properties of alkenes, Markovnikov's rules, dienes, types of dienes, Diels-Soler reaction. And another topic in this unit, alkynes. Preparation of alkynes, properties of alkynes, that means physical properties and chemical properties. Next topic in this unit, alicyclic hydrocarbons, nomic nature, preparations by Frantz method, Wilkinson method, properties, stability of carbenes, stability of cycloalkanes, Weierstrain's theory, Saxe-Mauer predictions, conformational structures of cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Unit 5, benzene and its reactivity. Concept of resonance, resonance energy, heat of hydrogenation, heat of combustion, benzene. Structure of benzene, mention of carbon-carbon bond lengths and orbital picture of benzene. Concept of aromaticity, benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds. Reactions, general mechanism of electrophilic substitution, mechanisms of nitration, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Orientation of aromatic substitution. Definition of ortho, para and meta directing groups. Ring activating and deactivating groups with examples. This is overall syllabus of first semester chemistry. Thank you.